How to tire or chain your tires?
How to tire your
Okay.
chain.
Or your wheels?
Take it out, dump it out. In here is this, which is the instructions, and also you can kneel on it to keep your knees dry.
Oh, that is sensible.
Okay? So you push, you separate, there's connected, you separate at the end of the yellow, and so you have it out like this.
No down.
Okay? I want to stick the yellow end in first, and I want this to be out facing me. Right now, it's facing me. So I'll take this and poke it behind the tire. It comes right around. And I've got it. Get the bungee cord out of the way, not normally part of the process. So now you have it, and you hike the skirt up on the back side of the tire, connect it, and then throw it over the back so it drops down, but don't let the whole chain disappear. And bring it around towards you like this. But don't let the whole chain disappear like I'm doing, because then it's hard to get, but the tire is icy, so it wants to slide off. There, once again, I got it back out front. When you get it out in front here like this, there's a connection point on the top right there. Connect that red thing. I should have done that before I threw it off the back side. So at the top I've got the red here like that. I bring this around here. Need to rotate a little bit. Okay. I put it on backwards because the red thing is in, but that's okay. It's not the end of the world.
Just inverted.
Okay, so you take this red chain, put it to that red thing, and you pull it tight. Adjust your chain wherever it needs to go. Takes a little bit of adjusting back and forth to get it. That tightens it up. You run this through the first hoop, to the second hoop. This has a notch right here, so you got to pull this first before you bring it back and put it in the notch. Then slide it up. It takes kind of a couple steps to get it right. And then you stretch the bungee cord and put it on the furthest one you can easily reach. And the chain is on. Now you're supposed to drive for a block or so, 100 feet or a block, whatever you feel like, then get out and take this off and pull it tighter through there and bring it back up again.
Okay.
Okay? It's on backwards because it's supposed to face out, but that's not critically important. I'm going to change it real quick for a second lesson here. We'll do it twice. And you see how easy these are to... When you go to take them off, you might not be sitting on the right spot on your tire. So when you take them off, I'll show you how you can get them off. Unhook this. Now bring it back forward towards you. Unhook them right there. And pull it up. Now, because I have that on backwards, I'm now going to flip them. And go the other way. And run this yellow from the front to the back. Kind of raise them a little bit, hook them together, and then push it off the back side and hook this like I did before. Get this untangled. pull them in as tight as you can. Run that as far as you can with two hands and get it on the furthest notch you can. And now it's hooked right there.
Oh, I see.
Like the chimney,
Yeah, like the fireplace
Like the flue.
damper.
the flue damper. Yeah.
Yep. Pull it through and hook it there. Now what I brought in addition to that is your bags. I would like to put my chains indoor and dry them out after I'm done with them before I put them back in their bag. This is extra. This is not part of the kit. This is a tensioner. The way I do these is try to space these things out. There's 5 of them here.
So space them at about 72 degrees each.
Yeah, give or take. And then grab them on this gold colored link of the chain. And this helps hold your chain where it should be.
It's like a sweatshirt drawstring.
Yep, yep, the drawstring. And you don't want to put it on the red thing. You want to have it on the gold chain. And it's a fight.
Gold is best.
What it does is keeps your chains from ever going slack on you.
And going around your axle.
Yeah, coming off, wrapping around, stuff like that. So that's kind of like a house shape, you know, square here with a roof on it. There's a tire chain. And what it take me about 4 or 5 minutes to put that on because I did it wrong the first time. So it's really easy.